but if you want to change the font sizes, you have to use the html.am. Now if you observe our WordPress page, you can see that there is there are some cases in which see, this is a new heading, subheading, and there is no space between these two lines. So I want a space between these two lines. So what we generally do is, if you want a space over here, I'll just click on enter. So and click on update. So if you see, if you click on preview changes, even I have entered some space between those two lines, there is nothing done over here. The reason for this is the WordPress takes away few tags automatically, HTML tags automatically. So when a new line break is inserted in WordPress, it takes away the line breaks. So in order to get that, so if you want some space between some lines which is not being applied, so you can bypass that one by using this. If you go to this text view, and I want the space to be inserted before this, so I'll just select this, I'll just copy this one, and I'll go to this text view, and I'll click on, I'll find where the text is. So I'm clicking on, I'll just find this Wixstar. So this is over here. So before this particular text where I wanted the spacing, I'll just insert this tag called P means paragraph, so P style equals quotes padding top 15px. So I'm adding some padding to the top of this text so that there will be some space between the lines. So I'll just click on update. Click on preview changes. Now you see that there is some space between the two lines. So actually this is what happens quite often in WordPress. Sometimes the line breaks are being removed off by WordPress automatically once you click on update. So in such cases, you can use this tag to insert the required spacing. So if you want, sometimes you wanted more space between the two lines, like you wanted some space between the two lines, then you can use the same tag and adjust the, instead of using 15px which I used it, you can set it to any, instead of using 15px, you can change this number so that the space get increased between the two lines. So this is how we do this, and let me go and so if you see this, since this is an linking to a new page, it is a linking to a different page in WordPress, it is opening up in a new tab. So this is the original tab that I'm in, so it opened up in a new tab. And even the external links that I added, so if I click on here, it is opening up in new tab. So all the external links automatically opens up in a new tab. Why? Because when we are inserting the external links, we chose to for example, so if you have this, so when I am clicking this and when I am linking this one, I chose to open this in a new tab, so that's the reason it is opening in a new tab. But if you observe this document which I included from my, so it is opening in the same tab. So once by some confusion they close this document, they have to again log in, open from the starting. They have to enter the URL, and so they either have to click on back button. So in order to make this open in a new tab, we can do that one by adding a small tag, like for example. So first I have to check for what are the links I need to insert the tag to. I have to see which links are opening in the same window. So this is opening in the same window, so I have to add the tag to this, and this is opening in a new window. So since this is an external link, it opens up in new window. And the PowerPoint, so it is even opening the same window. So 2, there are two links which I need to set the tag. So those are the two links, only those. So the number of links that we want, we have to add the tags depends on the number of files we have uploaded to the add media. So I have uploaded two files. I have uploaded two files from my computer. So there would be two links for which I need to add some tag. So that is, so first one is I wanted to view the text document. So I am just clicking on the text view and figuring out where I have the text. See, I have hit here to view the text document. So I have some link over here and click here. So after this link I have to write this. So if you observe this, you can see even this one. This is what is the tag that I needed. So target equals underscore blank. So it means that the target, so this link opens up in a new tab or window. So I am just copying this link and I'll paste it after this PDF. I'll paste it there. And that is the same thing that I will do even for the PowerPoint. So I'll just PowerPoint is here. So this is my link for the PowerPoint. So after the PDF, I'll just paste it after the PDF. So after the actual link, I'll just place this target equals blank so that it opens up in a new tab. So I'll click on update. Click on preview changes. So now if I click on this, it opens up in a new tab. So now we are almost done. Before we do that, if you observe, if you scroll down to the bottom, we have this leave a reply. So by default, every page in WordPress do have this comment section. So but this is not what we require. We don't want this in all the pages. So in order to remove that one, we need to go to the pages, and the module 7 is here. So if you click on quick edit over here, you have this allow comments over here. So I'll uncheck that one and I'll click on update. And if I go to live page and refresh this page, now the comment section would be removed from the bottom. So this makes us to get a good look and feel of your page. So after this, so now we have this module 7 over here, but what the one more thing that we need to do now is, if you see, so this is the ekulib821.wordpress.com. so this is the URL for my blog where I have the content. So I am clicking on this link. So only the people who have this access, the people try to access the content of our blog or website by using this URL. So when I click on this URL, you don't see this module 7 here. So since only module 6 is there, though we have created module 7. So the last thing that we need to, I want the module 7 to be there after this module 6. So to do this one, I have to use the concept of menu. So why it is not showing up over here is that I have selected a menu for which should be displayed as the top navigation bar, and that menu does not include module 7. That's the reason it is not showing up there. So now I'll go to this appearance, and we have the menus over here in appearance. So this is it, the header menu that I am using it for my primary navigation, and it has got all the pages except module 7. So module 7 is here. So whatever the page I wanted to include in here, so I'll just click on module 7 and I'll click on add to menu. So this can be added here. So if you want to change this location, you can just grab and change the locations if you want it. But as of now, I just want it to be here. So I'm just clicking it here, and I have to click on save menu. So now it is saved. So now module 7 is not here, but I am refreshing the page now. Now you see this module 7 is here. So when I click on module 7, what the page that I created would be there, visible on here. So even I don't want these sharing icons. So if you don't want the sharing icons, you can just go to this pages and select the page that you wanted and click on visual, or sorry, you have to scroll down and show sharing options balance and click on update. if you refresh this page. So now the sharing icons are gone. So this is how you need to do, how we can insert the content into WordPress.